Come down Forrester Beach. It's 21 degrees out. And right now, the tide, I think, is going out. It's a nice day, and there's not too much wind, so that's a good thing. Lots of fishing boats out. Yeah, zoom in. There's one. And there was a couple more down there. They're all out checking their nets. It's a really nice day. There was a couple that was like close in here by the shore, a couple of boats, but they're gone in to the dock, which is up over there. Can't see because we're down below a hill. But there's a wharf over there with loads of boats.